What's that, for real? For those that don't know about the elements of hip hop, we're gonna educate y'all, do a little hip hop 101. There's 4 elements of hip hop for those that don't know. And there's also the last element, the one we're about to demonstrate right now. Kids, if you don't know how to do this, don't try this at home. You might just bust your ass. I think they're ready, but we gotta show them because we represent them. So we're gonna do it like this. You ain't ready. Come on! Come on! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! He took his shirt off while he spun around in a circle on his 2 hands. Come on. Yeah. It works. Woo.
Yeah. Give it up. Woo. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Woo. Come on. Woo. Come on. Woo. Come on. Woo. Come on. Woo. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Woo. Yeah.
Left, 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 right, left, 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 left.
B-Boy Crumbs, California groove, style elements groove. This is what we're talking about here. Talent, pure talent. Woo! Here we go. Here we go, yo. 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 Oh! Forever.
California up in the place.
California
www.bboycrumbs.com. Log on, y'all.
Give it up for my homeboy B-Boy Crumbs coming straight out of California.
Yeah.
California Cruise, style of element.
B-Boy Crumbs.